Hey Piperistas, hope you're enjoying spring. Just wanted to continue our mini series by showing you one of my favorite ways to enjoy our tea, specifically the Sassyfras Strawberry.
All right, so like I said, we're going to be brewing the Sassyfras Strawberry, which means you're just going to take it out of the bag. I'm going to show you some of the leaf here. We've got that cincha green, that lovely red strawberry, some beets, some sassafras root, a super simple blend, but definitely delicious and definitely springy. You're going to just pour all 35 grams of it into the bottom of the piper press, and then we're going to start filling it up with water. You can see this line here, that's the fill line. Just tells you basically what your amount of water is for your concentrate. I'm pouring in water that is boiled at 180 degrees. It's less than boiling temperature. And that's because we don't want to burn the green tea leaf. They're a little bit more sensitive and we've got to be more careful with them. You can see I'm lidding it here. I'm not pushing it down all the way. I'm just setting the lid inside so that it has somewhere to go basically. And you're going to let it steep. So the steep time on Sassafras Strawberry is 2.5 minutes. Each of your blends will come with an allotted amount of time, and that will be specified on the bag. So you don't have to worry about figuring out what your brew time is for a specific blend. Just make sure that with any tea, you are stirring it every now and again. You would just want to make sure that all of the leaf is able to steep correctly, and stirring helps do that. So every now and again, just make sure that you're stirring it up. You're going to see now that I'm going to place the lid on top and begin to push down the lever of the piper press. And we're just watching that leaf kind of fall to the bottom as I push it down, which will leave you with your concentrate on top. Be careful, let it cool down a little bit, and then you're going to want to put the lid on, obviously, so that you don't spill it when you put it in your refrigerator. All right, so here comes the fun part. We are going to be making a sparkling tea, which means we're going to take about double concentrate to what we usually do, so about 3 to 4 ounces of tea concentrate for a large jar. Fill it up. You'll also need to double your sweetness as well. If you're going to put simple syrup in it, I didn't. I drank mine unsweet. And you're going to fill up the rest of the jar with whatever sparkling water you prefer. I like Pellegrino. I threw Pellegrino in there. Topo Chico adds a nice bite as well. So feel free to do that. Stir it up, and there you go, guys. Save it for a rainy day. A nice sparkling tea.